Hi, my name is Alexandra Snyder, and I'm the Executive Director of the Life Legal Defense Foundation. We are a law firm. We rely on the rule of law and on the good faith of those who interpret and enforce the law to ensure just outcomes. For example, we're representing two young black women who were arrested last week for violating social distancing rules in front of a Planned Parenthood clinic in New York City. Do you think NYPD issued even one citation to any of the thousands of people who were protesting last week? Did they tell anyone who was looting or rioting to stop violating the mayor's stay-at-home order? I highly doubt it. Now, I believe we will get justice for these young women, but the fact that they were arrested to begin with is deeply troubling. There should not even be a question that they had a right to be on the public sidewalk. And for the record, they were not violating social distancing. They were not approaching any Planned Parenthood clients or staff. Planned Parenthood called the police because its escorts or death escorts wanted to stand in the spot where the young women were standing, even though the women were there first. These women are prayer warriors and effective voices against the genocide that happens inside abortion clinics in black communities, and Planned Parenthood had to make sure their voices were silenced. Of course, Planned Parenthood's social media feeds are littered with the abortion giant's so-called commitment to racial justice. Never mind that Planned Parenthood is the single largest killer of black lives anywhere at any time. Life Legal recently filed an amicus brief with the Supreme Court outlining the history of Planned Parenthood's institutionalized bias against blacks in and out of the womb. I will link the brief below if you're interested in reading it. And what I'm saying is that Planned Parenthood sees no problem whatsoever in declaring its allegiance to Black Lives Matter while simultaneously decimating the black population. It sees no problem with calling for an end to police brutality against black protesters in New York City while simultaneously calling the police on two black women who are engaged in a perfectly legal protest in the same city. Planned Parenthood was founded to stop poor blacks from becoming pregnant. It quickly expanded its business model to include abortion services to ensure that any pregnancies that did occur would not result in the birth of black children. That is not rhetoric, that is fact. Read our brief. Yet Planned Parenthood continues to receive hundreds of millions of dollars in taxpayer funding. It killed over 300,000 human beings last year alone, in this country alone, and bills itself as an organization that provides health care. That, people, is the definition of fraud. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, etc. below, and God bless you.